I hope that all of you are doing great. Well, this will be the part three of the respective series, Zero to Hero, uh, making the crypto expert. Now, why people make money and lose money in the crypto market? And if we actually understand this, what I'm going to do is going to give you the live example for some of the coins. For example, the Luna crypto collapse uh, entirely. $45 billion lost, right? $45 billion of market cap. We had some of the rug pull scams like Squid Games. We had like some of the coins that are here from a significant period of time, but because of SEC lawsuit like XRP losing its value over the period of time. At the same time, we have coins like BNB, Binance coin, that actually got 2000x. That means 200,000% gain. If somebody would have invested $1,000, would have made, like at the peak of last year's bull run, would have made $2 million. So what causes all these things? We need to be understanding that. So number one, as I already told you, Luna got crashed, wiping out $45 billion of market capitalization. Luna was one of the great projects, but something like this still happened. Squid Games name, this is the name of one of the token. Basically, it got rug pulled. That means what actually happens, like any of the cryptocurrencies that is being issued, they say, okay, this number of coin exists and the price of coin is this much, right? And as the buyers keep on buying more, the price keeps on increasing. As long as the buyers are ready to buy at a higher price than the sellers, the price keeps on increasing. And similarly, when the sellers are selling at a lower price consistently, the price keeps on decreasing. So if somebody has a bad intention, it's very easy to take away your money. They are going to market to you, okay, we have one of the greatest project. You go out and buy the cryptocurrency, and over a period of time, you see the token declining. What is happening? Probably the founders are selling at a higher price because you purchased it somewhere. A lot of retailers purchased it and they have taken your money. They made the money out of it. The typical example is the Squid Games. It got rug pulled. That's what the rug pull is. Like the founders actually just pulled the trigger. Like they sold all their tokens out of the blue, and the people who actually invested into it lost all their money. This is one of the scam way of losing the money. Then we had the Luna. The entire $45 billion of market cap crashed and collapsed. Why? Was it also a scam? No, it was not a scam. It was a great project. In fact, so many people made so much of the money. Like some of the people actually got in early. Several $1,000s got converted into millions and millions of dollars. In fact, one of the guy actually had $100 million. His 60% of worth Luna, his entire portfolio was in Luna coin. That was more than $100 million. And entire $100 million got wiped out within 48 to 72 hours because the project failed. So if the project failed, the vision that the project is about to be delivering fails, yes, you can lose all the money. Then comes some of the coins like XRP, like it was on a great part. Then Securities and Exchange Commission filed a lawsuit. That's a security, still fighting the lawsuit. Maybe you're right, you're wrong, but when you're facing the lawsuit, the chances of institutional investors pouring in money into your token is very low. That is how, like, probably it lost its shine. A lot of people lost the money. But at the same time, there are, like, at the peak of the bull market, the price may go insane of any kind of token and even the good tokens. But at the depths of the bear market, when everything is like bearish, bad times, bad era, even the best of the coins lose sometimes 80%, 90% of the value. That is also one of the reasons. Having said that, talking about one coin and in fact many other coins like this, people make significant sum of money. In 2018, BNB, people could have bought it for 30 cents. And in 2021 bull run, it was trading at $650. That is more than 2000x. $1,000 put in BNB in 2018 at 30 cents would be worth $2 million. That is the kind of a gain that could have also happened. What is the reason something like this happened? Because the BNB had a great model. It got the mass adoption because this was an exchange. It is a crypto exchange basically. So it got the mass adoption of so many people adopting to it. At the same time, it generated the revenue. That means the exchange actually generated the revenue. The BNB or the Binance exchange, the fees that it generates. So the revenue plus the mass adoption, we can see a significant sum of money. I mean, the returns. So what is the lesson that we learn from here? You want to make money out of the crypto market, you will need to analyze the projects that you are investing in. And then if you are not able to analyze it well, you happen to think some of the scammers who have marketed really well, because the space is not regulated. If the intention of those guys, the originators, are bad, you are going to lose your money. They're going to run away. Nobody is going to catch them out of that. So it is your job to find out the best of the projects and then do the risk management yourself. That is how you make the money if the project actually turns out to be good. Now, this is also we need to understand. I mean, yes, you might be hearing all the good stories out there about people making millions of dollars out of the crypto. But remember, 90% of the crypto tokens do not survive the long term. Maybe they have the short term upside and then downside, pumps and dumps, so much of the things happening. But over a period of time, the coins keep on disappearing, just the way any other companies out there. You remember the dot-com crash? 90% of the companies got wiped out. They never came back. Only the top 5%, top 10% remain, and they sustain. So this is one of the important factors we all need to understand, we all need to realize. Now, to make the big money within the entire crypto market, one school of thought is invest into the protocols early that you believe can change the world, and then give them enough time to do its thing. That's when you eventually make the life-changing wealth. To give an example, the BNB again. Some of the people, I mean, one of the guy actually invested $5,000 at 32 cents. He happened to make $12 million at the peak of the bull market. So what happens in between, you do not care. You just give them enough time. From the bear market to the bull market, you happen to take the profit. Long-term trade. At the same time, second school of thought is trade the market. Whenever you see the times are bearish, time to be buying. Whenever you see everything is bullish, things are turning up, you sell it, take the profit, and then replenish. Try to keep on repeating the same thing. You find the price low, bearish, try to time the market. That is the second school of thought. Both are correct in their own ways. People have made big sum of money via both techniques, as well as people have lost big sums of money via both technique. For example, somebody who has believes in Luna have invested so much of the big money inside the protocol, thinking the price is going another 100x, might have lost it all. So on average, we need to understand the altcoins. Any coins apart from the Bitcoin, like even apart from Ethereum also, you can say, lose approximately more than 90% of its value when we are transitioning from bull market to the bear market. So it is the recommendation that at least once you understand that you are at the peak of the bull market, you do not hold the downtrend. Why? Because you might lose 90 to 95% of the value holding the downtrend of the altcoin market. Everyone sells during those times, even the best of the technologies, best of the coins. So all in all, what is the message that you get? That the cryptocurrencies are the bunch of tokens issued by group of people. So when you're buying their token, when you're investing your money onto the token, you are basically investing into those people who vision. If they are true to the vision, over a period of time, they happen to generate revenue, they happen to get the mass adoption, you will see a significant surge within the price of those tokens. That is the simple concept, just like any other company. If you happen to just go via the name of it and probably the team does not deliver it well, no mass adoption, the project fails, the team has a bad intention, you will lose your money. More than 90% of the altcoins, not worth it. But some of the coins literally can make you big sum of money. So you need to learn the art of it. That is how people make big sum of money. Some of them lose big sum of money within the crypto market. But definitely the potential is high. And the reason I have been very strict onto telling all that thing, like 90% of tokens lose the value, so much of the crash, because I want my audience to do the risk management. If you do the risk management well, the upside will take care of itself. You invest into the right project, you will get a significant gain, but you need to be cautious. maybe the Luna kind of situation might happen, right? Again, guys, you want to buy your first cryptocurrency or any of the cryptocurrency, the best exchange will be Binance. There will be a QR code on the screen at the left side. You scan the QR code, you'll be taken to the referral link of to the Binance registration page. You register there, you get extra sign up bonuses, like a great amount of sign up bonuses, and you can purchase your first cryptocurrency out there. At the same time, if you do not use the QR code, there will be link somewhere around in the description. You click onto that link, sign up, simple sign up within less than a minute, and you get extra bonuses and you can buy your first cryptocurrency. And that's it for this video. I hope that you found it helpful. And till then, I'll see all of you guys in the next video, and we'll continue the series of this crypto education. Bye bye.